School leaders across Ontario are navigating complex challenges, balancing improvement goals with the realities of today's classrooms and communities. The Eduforum, Advancing K-12 School Improvement, offers a focused, 3-day opportunity to step away from daily demands and work alongside peers on shared priorities. Through collaborative workshops, guided school visits, and facilitated dialogue, you'll explore evidence-informed approaches to equity, student well-being, and sustainable improvement. The small, collegial setting allows for deeper conversations where ideas can be tested, frameworks applied, and strategies shaped for your own school or system context. Each day of the Eduforum builds on the last, moving from foundational leadership frameworks to learning from practice in schools to defining clear next steps for lasting impact. You'll leave with practical tools, a working leadership plan, and new professional connections to draw on throughout the year. So join the Eduforum on October 21st to 23rd at OISE, University of Toronto. It's a space for reflection, collaboration, and advancing the work that matters most.